So, Michelle, how was your ride?
Good.
Good. Tell me a little about it. Not that I wasn't right next to you.
It was raining.
It was raining. Yeah, as soon as we got in our seats and into the train, it was like, oop, rain time.
How do I do this?
You pump the bottle. And let me just set this here and pump some for me. Yummy. Oh, no more coconut smell. Actually, that was my birthday cake that we had earlier. Thank you for that. I had cake at breakfast today, so yeah. Enjoyed the ride. Now, of course, the rain lets up. Just taking a look also at the standing but not operating falling star, which will be most likely leaving. Michelle and I have had a great time on this ride. Going to be a short visit, like I mentioned, but sorry, I'm taking a picture. Yeah, now it feels a lot cooler. That little 5-minute rain really helped. So how was the roller coaster with a mask? What are your thoughts?
Interesting. It's not bad.
It's not bad, right? You could breathe?
Barely.
Barely. I decided not to wear my sunglasses because I'm like, oh, I don't want them fogging up. And as soon as we get on the lift hill with the rain, I'm like, you know what? I really wish I had those sunglasses on. So that worked out well. Something else Michelle noticed, there's something missing around here. That Zippin Pippin sign, the red one that was really faded and needed to be replaced. Hopefully that's what they're doing. So that's something different. Yeah, the skies down that way look kind of bad, but maybe we'll be heading out and away from the storm. We'll see how everything goes.